factory automation is driving closer integration between OT and IT, with increasingly important and data-heavy transfers. Unfortunately, heavy traffic flow can lead to costly problems such as network congestion, data packet loss, and reduced efficiency. Could there be a solution to this problem? Introducing the premium unmanaged industrial Ethernet switches, advanced switches that prioritize data traffic for more reliable and accurate transmission in industrial applications. Smart data prioritization, data forwarding, and comprehensive quality of service, allowing for seamless management of your factory. Unmatched network flexibility with the added feature of VLAN pass-through on our unmanaged switches. Reduce system downtime and keep your factory running smoothly with flow and storm control. Quality of service system ensures peak performance and efficient delivery of time-sensitive data for smooth operations. Industry certified to operate within a temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius, designed to withstand vibrations, shocks, and free falls, with robust electrostatic discharge protection and immunity from electromagnetic interference. Safe operation in harsh environments with industry certification for our switches. Upgrade to our premium unmanaged industrial Ethernet switches for ultimate automation. With 8 models to choose from, enjoy a comprehensive range of features and configurations to meet your specific needs. Invest in your data's future with our industrial-rated solutions today.